as many of you know, Ben Affleck will be playing me, the Batman, in his next superhero movie. So, Ben asked me to take a personality test to help him out with his character research. Let's take a look at the results. So, according to this highly scientific survey that I took on the Facebook, I am a determined realist. Determined realists like to bear responsibility and welcome challenges. That's so true. They are stable, reliable persons. External contacts are very important to them. They mix well and are very active. Well, I am a member of the Justice League, so sure. They are excellent organizers, of course. I mean, I get a little help from Alfred, sure, but in the 60s, everything in the Batcave was labeled and organized. And are very happy when things are done correctly and punctually. Yes, there is nothing worse than a late sidekick. That was a Dead Robin joke. Too soon? Okay. They can quickly react impatiently if others are not as conscientious and orderly and dutiful as they are. Okay, that's true. That's true. They prefer structured work, which produces visible results quickly, to abstract, long drawn-out processes. Absolutely. A quick punch to the face often solves many problems. Determined realists have no problem with routine, as long as it serves efficiency. However, they very much dislike unexpected and unpredictable occurrences which mess up their careful plans. Are you listening to this, Catwoman? Once they have committed themselves to a cause, they do this with dedication and are willing to make considerable sacrifices for it. It's so true. Determined realists do not avoid conflicts and criticism, but face up to them and look for solutions. That's true. Except for if it's coming from Superman. Alright, shut up, Superman. Nobody's as perfect as you are. Sure, if I could fly around the world in like 2 seconds, I could save a lot more people. Alright? As they have a keen eye for the errors and shortcomings of others and are often quick of expressing criticism. True. They sometimes rub people the wrong way, especially when they lose their temper and jump to conclusions. Due to their marked sense of justice, they are quickly willing to correct themselves and never take offense if someone speaks to them frankly. You do not have to seek hidden motives with them. You always know where you are. Okay. Maybe not everything here fits me perfectly. Determined realists are often found in executive positions as they combine commitment, competence, and the ability to assert themselves in their spare time. Justice League, hello? What would you do without me? They often also accept responsibility in clubs and other institutions. One of the only members who doesn't have superpowers yet, who usually saves the day? Me. So, there you have it, Ben. Character research by the one and only, the Batman.